When we moved into Snowcreek V back in May of 2019, we joined the chorus of complaints about the access road, which was a road we often compared to the I-40, which is the most hated highway in our experience, full of road gators and potholes and bad bridge scenes. At any rate, there was a thumpity-thump going down this road, especially in our RV. Well, it turns out that at the end of October, a crew came, I guess hired by Chadmar, to resurface the road that will be used by us and to some extent by Snowcreek 8, which is that big dirt pile off to the right that you see. At any rate, we left on a trip while we were working on the road, and when we came back, it was done. And so I flew the drone again to see the new road, and we're very happy with it. So here is the aerial view of the work and the finished road.